Well, Toronto has seen a surge in the number of shootings this year. Since January, there have been 117 occurrences and 194 victims. That is a huge increase over this time last year. Michelle Chung takes us to one neighborhood where shots were fired just last night.
Police comb an area around Jane and Driftwood late last night after 3 people reported a man got out of his car and shot at them. No one was hurt. In mid-April, this man and 4 others were shot in the same area as they were barbecuing early one evening. These shootings have become distressingly common news for Zara Saeed, who relocated to this area with her kids 8 months ago.
It's so bad, like every day, more than 5 or 6 times since I moved here.
If you think there have been more reports of shootings, you're right. According to police, the number of shootings is up 34% compared to the same time last year. The number of shooting victims, which includes those killed, hurt, and shot at, has jumped 136%. The city has also seen those injured by gun violence up more than 75%. The only good news is there's no change in how many people were shot to death over the same period last year. Police statistics show the majority of shootings so far this year have occurred in 2 areas, here in 31 Division and in the downtown core. The police chief downplayed the numbers.
You know, every year in policing we have these spikes and this is nothing new. This is another minor spike that we have.
You know, if 2005 was the year of the gun, this may be the year of the victim.
Anthony Hutchinson is a gang expert who develops youth gang prevention strategies. He says the increasing gun violence is a symptom of a diverse city without adequately addressing the needs of all the people who live here.
We have to focus on the barriers to education. We have to stop dropout rates. We have to address youth unemployment, our high youth unemployment rates, which are twice the level in Toronto as they are for adults.
The police chief says he's focusing on law enforcement.
And then we put the necessary assets in those places to help reduce the crimes and then to bring community safety back to the proper restoration that it should be at.
Michelle Chung, CBC News, Toronto.